Firstly, all materials required for the building structure arrive panelized in containers ready for construction. The wall panels provided are ready for quick connection at the job site. Your first task is to set out the floor foundation ready to take the building. This is a very simple job of excavating about a 150 mm deep footprint and pouring a concrete slab. Into the wet concrete the steeled floor panels are inserted to create the ground floor of the building. The panels should be clipped together and will find their own level by being floated into this free-flow, self-leveling concrete. This forms the first part of the foundation raft system, which will be completed when the top side of the floor slab is poured later in the construction process. The benefit of this system of foundation is that it is very fast, easy, low cost, accurate, and can be used even in poor soils without requiring deep excavations. Once the floor panels have set in place, normally 24 hours later, you can start erecting the ground wall panels as designated by the floor plan provided. They are simply clipped into place using wire clips provided. The panels are screwed together where the cold form steel surrounding the panels meet. This simple process takes only a matter of a few hours. The mid-floor panels are lifted into position one by one and sit on top of the walls. They are fastened to the walls by clipping the wire mesh of the walls and floor panels together. Once the roof panels are in place, the building structure is ready for the application of the concrete. The client is responsible for all concrete supplies and the application to both sides of the walls, mid-floor, and roof panels. The concrete is applied generally in two coats. The first is applied using a concrete pump sprayer, and the finish coat either sprayed with an air sprayer or troweled on by hand. The surface can then be smoothed off or textured using a combination of trowels and screeds. Floors are generally poured and floated off in the normal way. The total concrete thicknesses are generally around 30 mm on either side of the walls and similar on either side of the floor and roof panels. Finally, an elastomeric paint should be applied once the concrete has cured to cover any surface cracks and to waterproof the building. The whole process of building a 2-story, 100 square meter home should not take any longer than 10 working days with a team of 3 or